Have you ever looked down at your hands and wondered why they look so much older than the rest of you? Today, we're diving into the best natural remedies for dry and wrinkled hands, especially during those harsh winter months when your skin needs extra care. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Everything you put on your hands doesn't just sit on the surface. It gets absorbed through your pores, enters your bloodstream, and goes straight to your liver. That's why choosing the right treatment for your hands is so important for your overall health. Why most lotions make the problem worse. Let's talk about what's actually in most store-bought hand lotions. Studies show that 22% of all personal care products are petroleum-based. This means they contain harsh solvents and mineral oils that actually pull out the essential vitamins your skin needs to stay healthy. These products strip away vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K from your skin. The result? Your hands become even more dehydrated, red, cracked, and itchy than before. It's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. And it's not just the lotions causing problems. The tap water we wash our hands with contains fluoride and chlorine. These chemicals are extremely harsh on your skin, affecting not just your hands but your face and entire body. This is why getting a good shower filter is one of the smartest investments you can make for your skin health. If you're already learning something valuable, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more natural health solutions from VIGORPHIL. The hidden world living on your skin. Here's something that might surprise you. Right now, thousands of different species of friendly microbes are living on your hands and all over your body. Yes, we often call them germs, but they're actually beneficial organisms that protect you. Your hands alone host about 14 different types of friendly fungi. Scientists have studied the skin microbiome extensively and discovered something fascinating. These microbes have what we call a symbiotic relationship with us. This means they protect us and we give them a home to live in. It's a partnership that benefits everyone involved. These beneficial microbes make vitamins for you, boost your immune system, and prevent harmful bacteria from taking over. Without them, dangerous pathogens start developing and creating serious skin problems. Here's the catch. When you constantly wash your hands with harsh soaps or expose them to chemicals, you stress out these friendly microbes. Some of them can even turn from helpful to harmful just from environmental stress. That's why maintaining a healthy environment for your skin microbiome is absolutely critical. Understanding your skin's natural pH. Your skin has a natural pH level between 4 and 4.5. That means it's actually quite acidic, not alkaline like many people assume. When your skin's pH becomes too alkaline, bad things start happening. Your skin begins to swell and become inflamed. This is why understanding what you put on your body is so important. The wrong products can completely disrupt your skin's natural protective barrier. The inside-out approach to beautiful hands. Now, I want to share something crucial that will change how you think about skin health. Your external appearance, including your hands, hair, and nails, is a direct reflection of what's happening inside your body. What you eat, what you avoid, and how you treat your body internally shows up on the outside. So while the remedy I'm about to share will definitely help your hands, you also need to focus on your internal health through proper nutrition. This means reducing your intake of refined sugars and processed flour products. These foods speed up oxidation in your tissues, which is essentially your body rusting from the inside out. Processed oils found in many packaged foods also accelerate skin aging at an alarming rate. If you're finding this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to VIGORPHIL for more evidence-based natural health wisdom. The two main goals for healing dry hands. Let's break down the strategy into two simple goals. First, avoid things that are drying out and aging your hands. This means stopping the use of petroleum-based lotions immediately. If you work with soil, pottery, or chemicals, always wear protective gloves. Soil contains clays and minerals that can dry out your hands incredibly fast. I know someone who worked with industrial solvents regularly. These chemicals stripped all the vitamin E from his hands, leaving them red, cracked, and blistered. Any exposure to petroleum-based products, mineral oils, or harsh solvents pulls out fat-soluble vitamins from your skin. Second, you need to put those essential nutrients back into your hands. Replace the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K that have been stripped away. At the same time, recognize and support the friendly microbes living on your skin. Don't continually kill them without giving them a chance to reestablish themselves. Between constant hand washing and chemical exposure, your hands need time to rebuild their protective microbe layer. The remedy I'm about to share will help nourish both your skin and these beneficial organisms. The 3-ingredient natural hand treatment. Here's the powerful natural remedy that will transform your hands. You only need 3 simple plant-based ingredients plus 1 optional animal-derived ingredient if you choose to include it. The base of this treatment uses the moisturizing properties found in natural oils and plant-based nutrition. However, I'm going to modify the original formula to keep it completely plant-based for VIGORPHIL viewers. Ingredient 1. Nutritional yeast or avocado. Instead of using animal products, we'll use mashed avocado as our base. Avocado is incredibly rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and lecithin. Lecithin is a natural compound that softens skin beautifully and helps other nutrients absorb more effectively. Take half of a ripe avocado and mash it thoroughly in a small bowl until it's smooth and creamy. Ingredient 2. Raw honey. Add 1 teaspoon, about 14 grams of raw honey to your bowl. If you can find Manuka honey, even better. This type of honey has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Raw honey is excellent for wound healing and reducing inflammation. It's wonderful for your skin overall. The natural sugars in honey also feed the beneficial microbes on your hands, but only in moderation. That's why we'll only use this treatment twice per week. Think of it like this. Beneficial microbes do need some carbohydrates to thrive, but you don't want to overfeed them and create an imbalance. Ingredient 3. Extra virgin olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons, about 26 grams, of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you're getting authentic olive oil, not the adulterated versions that flood the market. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats that penetrate deep into your skin layers. It provides long-lasting moisture without clogging pores. How to apply this natural hand treatment? Mix all 3 ingredients together thoroughly until you have a smooth, consistent paste. The mixture should be thick enough to stay on your hands, but smooth enough to spread easily. Apply this treatment generously to both hands, making sure to cover every area, including between your fingers and around your nails. Don't wash your hands immediately. This is important. Let the treatment soak in for a full 20 minutes. During this time, the nutrients are penetrating your skin, feeding the beneficial microbes and beginning the healing process. After 20 minutes, rinse your hands gently with lukewarm water. You'll immediately notice how soft and nourished your hands feel. For best results, apply this treatment right before bed. This gives your hands all night long to heal without interruption from washing or exposure to harsh elements. Use this remedy twice per week for optimal results, supporting your hands from the inside. Remember, while this external treatment works wonders, you can't ignore what's happening inside your body. Your diet plays a massive role in how your skin looks and feels. Focus on eating plenty of fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your skin needs to repair and regenerate. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration shows up quickly in your hands, making them look dry and aged. Consider adding foods rich in vitamin E to your diet, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Vitamin C from citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers helps your body produce collagen, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Omega-3 fatty acids from walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds reduce inflammation throughout your body, including in your skin. Your hands deserve the same care and attention you give to the rest of your body. With this simple 3-ingredient remedy and a focus on internal nutrition, you can restore softness, reduce wrinkles, and protect the beneficial microbes that keep your hands healthy. Remember to wear gloves when working with harsh substances, choose natural products over petroleum-based lotions, and give your hands regular treatments with this nourishing blend. Which of these natural ingredients are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to VIGORPHIL and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest natural health discoveries. Your journey to healthier, younger-looking hands starts today.